Hello, calculus fans. All right, let's try to find the length of x equals 1/2 y squared minus 1/4 log y from y equals 1 to y equals e. Now we can modify our basic arc length formula in this case. X is a function of y, so let's just do everything that way. We can compute arc length by saying that the length is the integral from c to d of the square root of 1 plus g prime of y, quantity squared, dy. Okay, so this allows us to compute arc length even if the curve is defined where x is a function of y. So in this case, we'll just say x prime is equal to y minus 1 over 4y. That's the derivative of the function that we started with. So that tells us that our arc length is the integral from 1 to e of the square root of 1 plus the quantity y minus 1 over 4y squared, dy. If we multiply out everything that's inside that, so basically we're squaring this piece here, we'll get the integral from 1 to e of the square root of 1 plus y squared minus a half plus 1 over 16y squared. The 1 and the minus 1/2 combine to look like this. And this is a very common thing. We end up with something that's actually a perfect square. You should see that if you were to FOIL this, you would end up one step back. And so now we can cancel the square root and the square because the thing on the inside is always positive. So now we have the integral from 1 to e of y plus 1 over 4y dy. All right, maybe not trivial, but certainly easy to compute. We end up with 1/2 y squared plus 1/4 log y evaluated from 1 to e. Plug everything in, and we get this as our final answer. E squared over 2 plus a fourth minus a half. That all boils down to 2e squared minus 1 all over 4. Okay, that's all for now.